Quantum Sleeping Affirmations. Hey, this is Carl Crow. I am a member of the Bullrunners online business app. On a 100K mastermind today, I learned about quantum sleeping affirmations. I received a couple of links to quantum sleeping affirmation videos. You listen to one of these videos as you are getting ready to sleep. I did a search on ChatGPT to learn more. Here is what I learned. Quantum sleeping affirmation is a technique that involves using positive affirmations while falling asleep to help create positive changes in your life. The idea is that when you repeat affirmations to yourself as you drift off to sleep, your subconscious mind is more receptive to the messages and can help manifest them in your life. Quantum sleeping affirmation can help you in several ways, including reducing stress and anxiety. By using positive affirmations before bed, you can help calm your mind and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. This can help improve your overall mood and help you feel more relaxed. Increasing self-confidence. Affirmations can help boost your self-esteem and increase feelings of self-worth. This can help you feel more confident in yourself and your abilities. Improving sleep quality. By focusing on positive thoughts and affirmations before bed, you may find it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. This can help improve your overall sleep quality and leave you feeling more rested in the morning. Overall, quantum sleeping affirmation can be a useful tool for improving your mental and emotional well-being and can help you create positive changes in your life. To use quantum sleeping affirmation properly, follow these steps. Choose positive affirmations that resonate with you. Think about what areas of your life you want to improve or what qualities you want to cultivate, and create affirmations that reflect those desires. For example, you might use affirmations like, "I am worthy and deserving of love," or, "I am confident and capable." Find a comfortable and quiet place to sleep. It's important to create a comfortable sleep environment that is free from distractions. This can help you relax and focus on your affirmations. Repeat your affirmations to yourself as you drift off to sleep. As you lie down to sleep, repeat your affirmations to yourself in a calm and relaxed tone. You can say them out loud or silently in your mind. Visualize the affirmations. As you repeat your affirmations, try to visualize what they mean to you. Imagine yourself embodying the qualities or achieving the goals that your affirmations represent. Believe in the power of your affirmations. It's important to believe that your affirmations can make a positive impact on your life. Trust in the process and have faith that your subconscious mind is receptive to the messages you're sending it. By using quantum sleeping affirmation regularly, you can help cultivate positive changes in your life and improve your overall mental and emotional well-being. There are 2 links in the description to Quantum Sleeping Affirmations videos created by the CEO and co-founder of the online business app. One of these videos is to be used at night and the other in the morning. I recommend that you use headphones while listening to these videos. Give this a try and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Thanks for watching this video and be sure to click the subscribe button so that you will be notified when I post more videos about quantum sleeping affirmations. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to get notified when other videos are posted.